Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am back after a really long break. I have to say almost a month. I think Navratri was over on the 19th and today's the 19th and I am filming it on a Monday. I was off of social media. I think after the Navratri series, I was so demotivated. I just didn't want to sit in front of the camera and film anything. My mind was so blocked. And although I did get an okay kind of response, the views that I got after doing the Navratri series was so disappointing. I really put my heart and soul in that, in those videos. I have a full-time job and I used to come back home, film the videos, edit them, do everything by myself, and then after seeing that you put in so much hard work and not getting anything in return, it was so disheartening. But yeah, now I am back. I don't know if I'll still be putting out videos 2 days a week. I still am trying to get into that zone and trying to kind of film videos. I just have so much makeup and I just want to film it before the end of this year. I have makeup that's been lying over there since I don't know, 6-7 months. It's all untouched. I actually have this Huda Beauty concealer lying on my desk for the past 1 month, ever since it got released. I am in this zone right now where I'm still trying to figure out what I have to do with my channel. I don't know, you guys have to help me out. And I have a huge Sephora purchase which I did buy during the appreciation sale and 20% off. And also I do have some products that I got off of Ulta. So yeah, if you want to know what these products are, then please keep on watching. Okay, so I'm going to start off because I have this huge bag full of makeup. Can you see it? It's almost up till here. And it's so heavy I can't even pick it up. So I'm just gonna go in no particular order. So the first product that I got is this Summer Fridays Jet Lag Mask. I've heard so many reviews about this. It's a really good product. It's cruelty free, fragrance free, which is very good because I cannot tolerate fragrance. I burst out in eczema the last couple weeks. I was all over covered with eczema in my neck. I guess it was a change of season. I don't know what it was, but if you see there's so much discoloration around my neck, it was crazy. So yeah, I got this one because I wanted to try it. I'm going to travel very soon, so I can definitely give you my thoughts about this. Follow me on Instagram. Okay, so the next product I got is this Marc Jacobs Shameless Foundation. I have heard really good reviews about this as well, so I thought why not pick it up. I have to test it out and see. It was a very good shade match for me. I'm in the shade Tan Y20, but I will be testing this out and having a review for you guys. And I also actually got the Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Skin Foundation. Now I am in the shade Y425. I'm actually the same shade as the Ultra HD. So yeah, I am in the shade Y425. I have combination skin if you guys are not aware, so that's why I picked this up, because I thought matte velvet skin, it would really be good for my skin type. Then the next one I got is the Cover FX Power Play Foundations. I did pick up a lot of foundations because I wanted to test it out. Next one I got is this Cover FX Power Play Concealer. Again, I am in the shade N4 medium. It was a very good match for me. Again, if you guys know, I always like to pick up a concealer that is kind of my skin tone, and I don't like to have a brightening concealer because I do have really dark under eyes and it just doesn't look flattering on me. The next one I got is the Magic Away Liquid Concealer by Charlotte Tilbury. I have heard really good reviews about this as well. I don't remember who. I think Shweta and Beauty Lashes Sneha, I think I saw their review. So I wanted to pick this up, and yeah, it's a pretty good shade match for me. The next one I got is this Huda Beauty Overachiever Concealer. Now again, when I went to pick this concealer up, the sales rep actually told me that don't buy this because I have a very dry under eyes. My under eyes are not oily as opposed to my skin where it's kind of combination. She said do not pick this up if you have an matte under eyes, you know. I wanted to try it out because I want to test it out. I want to know it for myself. When I'm in the shade Toasted Almond, this is like a perfect shade match for me. It does give me a little bit of brightening. I actually started, you know, reviewing this. Like I tried to film it in the morning and in the evening, like do a wear test, but then I just forgot to take pictures and I just got too busy. So yeah, I didn't complete the review. The next one is this Laura Mercier translucent loose setting powder. Now I'm actually almost out of my Laura Mercier powder, believe it or not, so I had to buy a refill because I like it. So yeah, I got this one. The next one I got is a Charlotte Tilbury Genius Magic Powder for under eye and face. Now I do have their compact. I love their compact. It's so finely milled. It's just so smooth. It's just amazing. So if there's one product you want to pick up from the Charlotte Tilbury, definitely pick up their compact. And that was probably my first product that I picked up from their line. The Charlotte Tilbury Genius Magic Powder. Now the only thing I don't like about is the scent. It has a very awful scent. And the sales rep did tell me that, you know, she's planning to change it and she's trying to add fragrance in it. But I just didn't want to wait because I waited for 2 months and still she had not come out with the fragrance, so that's why I just picked it up anyways. The next one we have is this Marc Jacobs Omega Bronze. This is a Coconut Perfect Tan. Now this is in the shade Tantastic, and there's another one which I cannot remember what the name is. So the difference between this one and that one, at least sales rep at Sephora told me, was that this has a coconut scent to it and that one doesn't have a coconut scent, and both would be good for all skin tones. So he suggested me to pick this one up. It is huge, like it is huge. Like it's gonna take me ages to kind of hit pan on this. Look at that. They do have a mirror, but look at the packaging. I hope you guys can see it. It's beautiful. Let's see. Wow, it smells. Next one I got is this Kat Von D tattoo liner. I've heard so many good reviews about this, so I had to pick this one up, and yep, that's why I got this one, and it's waterproof, so that's a good thing. Then the next one I got is this Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil. Then I have are these. I got this Shade and Light contour palette because again, you know, Kat Von D, I've heard amazing reviews about this, and if I do run out of it, they do have individual pans, so I can buy that as well. Okay, so now the next one I got is this Huda Beauty the gem, the jewel tone, whatever palettes. So I got the Coral Obsessions. Of course, this is not the one that's included in the jewel tones, but I picked this one up anyways because I love it. I just love how it looks. Like, look at that, it looks beautiful, beautiful. I do want to pick up the not the nude one, but the remastered one. I want to pick that one up. I feel like if I have this, I'm sorted and I don't need to pick that one up. So yeah, this is the topaz one. Then I picked the emerald one, and then this is the ruby obsessions, and then I have the amethyst, and I have the sapphire one as well. So, and now let's move on to the lips. Okay, this is the Gloss Bomb by Fenty. Like, I bought all products that people rave about because I wanted to test it out myself, and I've heard so much. Like, honestly, let me tell you guys, I am not a gloss person at all. But ever since I tried the Shayla X Color Pop, I think I used it in one of my Navratri videos, the gray eyeshadow look, and I am so obsessed with it. Like, it's literally in my office bag, but I'm so obsessed with it, so I wanted to pick this one. So this one is very, very similar to the Desi X KT one, the gloss one, but I want to pick this one up because this is not limited edition and that one is limited edition, and I wouldn't be able to use that in my makeup tutorials if it's limited edition, so I picked this one up anyways. The next one is the NARS Power Matte Lip Pigment, and look at that. Ooh, I don't think I have this shade, you guys. I just don't think I have. That's how it looks. It looks beautiful. So yeah, I picked that one up, and this is in the shade Under My Thumb. The next one I got is the Fenty Beauty Mademoiselle lipstick. Now this is in the shade Spanked, And again, I had to pick up a nude one. Like, I am more like a nudish mauve kind of person. I don't like complete nudes. But look at this shade. Look at that shade. Let me show you this. I got this Too Faced Christmas Trees liquefied lipstick set. And I'm guessing it is the sample size, but who cares, you guys? Who cares? Like, look at this. I don't even think I'll use the entire one, and I really don't see a point in buying like the full size lipstick because I have so many, you know. I'd rather just buy sample size and I can use all the shades. Of course, I can't use this one. This is way too light for me. But if I use a lip pencil underneath, it's gonna look bomb. So yeah, these are the 4 shades in Pumpkin Spice, Sugar Cookie, Cinnamon Bear, and Hot Buttered Rum. And the next one I got is a Too Faced Melted Matte. Again, this is a limited edition one in Gingerbread Girl. This is such a gorgeous shade. And it's like my shade. Oh my god, it smells so good. It smells like gingerbread. Like, you guys have to try this shade. Okay, and then the next one I got is the Fenty Beauty Fly Liner. Again, I had to pick this one up because I've heard amazing reviews about it. So the next one I got is the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Lips, and these are 2 shades. One is the Too Bad I Am Bad and Shocker. These are the 2 lipsticks that I picked up. These are like my shades, you guys. These are like my shades. This is Showgirl. What is this? Too Bad I Am Bad. Oh my god, I love it. And these were like what, $22, and I would rather spend like 2 of these at $22 than spending like $30 on one entire lipstick. And I know I'm not going to go through it completely. I just, you know, happened to become a Rouge member and I had just $7 left. So they just gifted me this. I don't even know what brush that is. I think it's a Sephora brush. This is a Pro Mini 5.5 brush, which I'm guessing I would use it for contour or something. It's a pretty good brush. Also got the translucent powder. Now this is the glow powder and I got a sample size. And then the next 2 I got are these cleansers and this conditioner by Diva. And oh my god, I have gone through these bottles like crazy because I love, and currently I do like a hair care routine which I'm like totally obsessed with. And sometimes I would get that look, sometimes I don't get that look, so I'm trying to make sure that I get that look perfectly every single time and consistently. That way I can put out a video for you guys because I know this is like probably one of my top highly requested videos. I just don't want to put out a video like half baked. Now that I am done with showing you all my Sephora products, let me move on to my Ulta products. Okay, first thing I got is this Morphe X Jane Charles. It is so big. Like, let me compare it with the Jaclyn Hill palette. Hold on. Oh my god, you guys, look at that. Jaclyn Hill is so small. Yeah, let's see how this looks. Oh wow, I love that packaging. It is so good. I love that packaging. And look at that, it's black. It won't get dirty and you can just wipe it off. Unlike, I guess, Morphe changed their packaging. Look at that. Wow. I love these shades. And I guess what he said was like these 2 rows are for like neutral everyday. This is like your colorful side. This is beautiful. I love it. Okay, so the next one I got from Ulta is this Makeup Revolution London, and this is the Neutrals 3 palette. And I have heard really some good reviews about this, and hope it's not as disappointing as those Reloaded palette. That's the palette, and let's watch a couple shades. Ooh, that's gorgeous. I like it. You know what, guys? I like this one. But you know, I don't want to depend on these finger swatches because sometimes finger swatches are really good and the eye swatches aren't good. So yeah, I just hope they change the packaging, but for the price that I pay, honestly, that's okay. Then the next one I got is this Sophie X Revolution Extra Spice palette. So this is the packaging. It already looks, my fingerprints. Okay, so this is what the packaging looks like. I don't want to blind you guys. And this is what the inner. Wow, this looks gorgeous. Like, I love it. Let's see this one. Like, look at that. Oh, wow. Next one is this Sophie X Ultra Pigments. This is the Sophie X. It's a matte as opposed to this one, which is like more metallic. Oh, I love this packaging though. It's rose goldy kinda. And this is very similar to the Emily Noel palette. And this is mostly all shimmer shades. Oh my god, look at that. This is very much similar to blue green pigment. I think that's what it's called. I'm gonna have a swatch up for you guys maybe on my Instagram. Next I have is this Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Foundation. I am in the shade, if there's a shade name for it, F12. Now this was the closest shade. I'm not too happy with the shade range, but yeah, this was the closest shade range that I had. And then I have is this Fast Base Concealer, lightweight buildable coverage in the shade C11. Hopefully it looks good. And yeah, that's that. And then is this Revolution Baking Powder. I heard so many good reviews, especially I think I remember Shweta Vijay here on YouTube. She was raving about this, so I wanted to pick this one up. And then I also picked up the Morphe 513 brush. I got this from Ulta, I guess. I can't remember Ulta or Morphe. I got it from somewhere, but I love this brush. This is how it looks. I'm sorry for this dirty brush, but I was just using it on my eyes. But this is beautiful. This is what I have used through and through in all my Navratri videos. Then the next one I got is this Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. In the shade Deep Bronzer. I know Glam Confident here, aka Tanuja, she was raving about this in one of her videos. I have been on the lookout for this freaking bronzer in every Walmart, CVS, and I don't know which all places I've gone. And then I picked up a couple more brushes. This is the 530 brush. Let me show you how it looks. Oh, I don't want to bend that. But this is how the 530 brush and the 437 brush. This is more for bronzer, so I picked this one up. Then I got our color eye pencil, and this is in the shade Sparkle, which is more like a gray color, like a silvery gray color. Then I got this Saint, which is more like a bluish, very cool toned blue. I don't know why I picked up all blues. Blue is my favorite color if you guys are not aware. Then this is the Poolside. This is like an aqua blue. I mean, the name says it all. And this is Extra, which is like a more like, I have to say cobalt kind of, that kind of blue. Okay. Then the next one I got is this NYX Slip Tease lipstick in the shade Strawberry Whip. I hope I'm not missing anything. I don't see anything that I'm missing, but these were all the products. I almost bought products worth about $600-700. I am also going to be placing an order for Juvia's Place palette, which at least as of now that I'm filming today, the Juvia's Place is like 45% off, and then if you use anyone's code like Hotfire or maybe Nikki, you get 10% off. So basically it's 55% off. And also I'm going to be placing an order for hopefully Colored Rain Queen of Hearts palette. You know, I've been wanting that palette for such a long time, and I think it's about $30 right now. Hopefully I am like super motivated. Like now that I've filmed this haul, I'm like really pumped to bring out more content and some different content. So please pour in your ideas. If you want me to do any more food vlogs, like, you know, food recipes or something, just let me know. I'll definitely be more than happy to have it out for you guys. Yeah, if you have subscribed to my channel, thank you so much for subscribing. And if you haven't, then please do subscribe to my channel and also follow me on my Instagram, because I think the only place I was active was my Instagram stories, which I used to post here and there. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. Until my next video, bye.